Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Sigdel. Today I am going to tell you how to recover the permanently deleted videos from your YouTube channel. Before starting the tutorial, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe now for the upcoming new video. This is my first videos in the English language. So let's start the tutorial. Go to your channel, my channel, and click on the three dots and select on help and feedback. Then click on email us. So I'm going to click on email us. So you will see the four options. So you have to click the channel and video feature, and then write your first name. So I'm writing Prakash. Okay, my name is Prakash. Last name Sigdel. Write your last name Sigdel and write your email address and put your channel URL. For the channel URL, you have to go your channel and click on the three dot and copy the link. After that, put the message here. Because your video has been deleted, so you have to write, dear YouTube, my videos got deleted by mistakenly, I want to recover it. Then, is your issue about the specific video? Yes, you have a issue in the specific video. Then video ID. For video ID, you have to put the deleted video ID. So how to get it the video ID? Before, like that video, maybe you share in the Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitters, and maybe you make the playlist also. Go there and open the link in the desktop in the computer. Okay, then copy the link and paste it here. So I'm going to open this song, Nepali song Kusume Rumal. Just I open in the desktop. See, this video has been removed by the uploader because this video is deleted, so I want to recover it. So I paste the address. So after the B, delete, before the B, delete all, and after the capital E, delete all. Count the after B 11 characters, then delete it. Okay, so I'm going to delete it all. Okay, I deleted. Now there is a 11 characters. This is a select select words is the my video ID. So I write the video ID. So is this a request for a verification badge? No, we are not requesting the verification badge. And submit. Almost we finished now. Before submitting the request, check again. You select the channel and video feature, write your name, last name, your email address, channel URL, your channel URL, and message for the YouTube. Dear YouTube, my video got deleted by mistakenly, I want to recover it. And is this is your issue about a specific video? Yes, and write the video ID. Okay, and is this a request for the verification badge? No, and submit it. So click on the submit button. Within 2-3 days, you will receive the email from the YouTube. See, I received the email. Hi dear, thanks for the contacting the YouTube partner program. Then after 2-3 days, you will receive the another email. In order for us to process your request, please copy the form below, fill it out, and send it back to me. So they send the form. So I fill it the form and I send it. Like, dear YouTube supporting team, greeting, thanks for your reply. Yes, per email. I fill it out the form and send it. And after 2-3 days, you will receive the email. See. Hello Prakash, good news for your video has been reported. So now video recover. So go to your channel and check that video is recovered or not. So I am going to my channel and searching the Kusume Rumal song. Yeah, is it? See, click the link and check it. So I click it and wow, it's so finally recovered the video. So my video has been recovered, and it's proof that YouTube is the helpful platform. They will help you if you have any issue in the video, anything you can ask the YouTube. They will help you always. So I hope you like my video, and I hope this video will solve your issues also. So if you are not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe now for the more upcoming new videos. and please don't forget to share it. Thank you so much for the watching my channel.